Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing MainStay Suites Chicago Schaumburg. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The MainStay Suites Chicago, Schaumburg is a quick mile from the famous Woodfield Mall and just steps away from fine dining, a sports bar, and a Target. Outdoor self-parking, Wi-Fi throughout the campus and outdoor picnic gazebo. Airport shuttles are not available. Guests can do their laundry at our modern, smart app-operated Launderette. Vending machines carry snacks, sodas, personal items and laundry aids. Grocery delivery service is available through PeaPod. Please see guest services at the hotel to obtain these services and their fees. Arlington Park Race Track is 6 miles away. O'Hare International Airport is 15 minutes drive away and Chicago City Center is less than 30 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.